Yo, what's up guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to get free Microsoft Rewards points. This works for iOS and Android as well. First you have to go into your search engine and type here tweakcircle.com and search for it. So tweakcircle.com. Now you'll appear on this website and you have to choose Microsoft Rewards Plus. Now it will check your compatibility, download some files for this application, and eventually you'll have to download some additional files, and to do so you have to do two small tasks that it will show you right now. So click continue again, and I have to install two of these apps. I'm going, for example, for Cashmall, so click get and install it like a regular application from Google Play or from your App Store. And I can go back and install the second app, which will be, for example, AppStation. So click on AppStation and install it. Now just wait until those applications are installed. Now when these apps are installed, you can open it, and I have to run it for at least 30 seconds. So just open the app and run the app for at least 30 seconds. You actually don't have to use it or log into it or register in it, just to run it for at least 30 seconds. So now just wait and have it like this. Now after some time you can close it, of course, and go to the second app, which will be Cashmall. So again, open it and again run it for at least 30 seconds. So just open it. You actually don't have to again use it, you have to run it, and you have to do this because the system will actually now register you and know that you downloaded these applications, which means that you completed these tasks to install these additional files. So as soon as you complete this second task, you will actually get on your home screen the app. So now just go into your home screen, and as you can see here, you should in a few seconds get Microsoft Rewards Plus on your home screen. Now you have to open it, and as you can see here, you will actually automatically get your Microsoft points. So thank you for watching, and definitely try this and have a great day.